Back to school season is happening right now, and it's so important to take care of your skin during this stressful time. Our friend Tarra is here from Carmel Soap with some must-have products for the kids as they're dealing with this back to school season. It's good to see you.
It's so good to see you. Okay, how are you?
I'm hanging in there, that is for sure. I need to go straight to the stress relief over here.
Yep, most of us. Yeah.
There's other people watching today. Let's talk about it. The kids, they have different skin than we have, right?
Yes.
So we're going to focus in on how to help the kids have better skin during the back to school season. What's a good routine for like a teenager to start with?
The easiest thing is just keep it simple.
Okay.
Keep it clean, keep it simple. If you don't, they're not going to use it.
So
we
true.
put together a set, right? So this is our Pure Skin Survival Set.
Okay.
So it's specifically made for teens, acne, very challenging skin as their skin goes through all the hormonal changes. Athletes, sweating, stress, all of those things lead to issues with the skin.
Okay, when you say keep it simple, we're talking about what? We're gonna do a wash, obviously.
Yep. So you need to wash your face as often as possible, right? This is also great for moms who are still in their 30s, 40s, even 50s, still dealing with acne problems, haven't been able to quite get that under control. A lot of the times the problem is that we're just doing too much.
Okay.
So we want to simplify and calm and balance the skin, right?
Yeah.
So in this set, there's a cleansing bar, there's a mask. The mask is once a week. There's a serum. The serum is the first thing you put on your skin after you wash your face.
Okay.
And then there's a moisturizer.
Okay.
So on a daily basis, the 3 steps. Weekly, you add the mask.
Okay, and it comes in a nice little package kit that you can hand over to your teenager and get them started. Let's talk about athletes because it's so important that you have like a little kit that you can use at home, but then also something that you can take to school because after you do your workout, you want to take care of your skin then too, right?
Right, because a lot of these kids have practice before school.
Yeah.
So we're talking about 6:30, 7 in the morning. These kids are already at practice and then expected to clean up really quick and go on to class for the day. So we've decided to make this set.
Oh, perfect.
Right, so this set is our clean set. It's super simple. It's something they can have in their bag or in their locker.
So smart.
Right, and my son's 12. His practices are going to be at 6:30 in the morning at 12. Right, so I wanted to make a set that he could keep in his gym locker.
Okay.
So this includes an easy spray soap. We've never made this before. So it literally is our easy spray soap. So you jump in the shower, get really wet, right? It smells like peppermint, so it's nice, gender neutral. It's very clean, very easy. It feels really good.
Okay.
And then we have a lotion. We even put some towelettes in here. These little discs in here open up to almost 9 inches.
Oh my gosh.
So they're a great little thing to, again, have just quickly, and then of course a lip balm.
Okay, so you can head out to Carmel Soap, you can pick up the kit for at home, and then you can pick up one of the little travel size kits for the locker. And of course, if you're looking for more natural products, you've got something for everyone. Something we need right now because it's so hot. All natural deodorant that actually works.
That
is the trick, right?
Yeah.
You've got that.
Yeah, so natural deodorant doesn't do a great job overall. So we took many years to formulate our system here. So we now have a formula. It's magnesium based. It's almost completely natural. The only thing that's not 100% natural is the scent.
Okay.
And so you can find organic coconut oil, organic cocoa butter, organic shea butter, all the things that are going to calm and balance the skin.
Okay.
And it's going to provide great wetness protection and odor protection.
Fantastic.
Feels really good, smells really good.
Okay. If the kids have had a stressful day and they need a little help getting to sleep at night, what do you have for them?
So we've been staying up way too late, right? And now we're trying to get back into this routine. My son, my daughter have a very hard time doing this.
Yeah.
So we use magnesium, right? Magnesium is a great overall I call it a life manager. So it's great for evening, after the shower, rubbing it on those athletes, sore spots, just putting it on. It's great for period pain. It's great for if you have shoulder stress, low back stress, that kind of thing. And then we even have a lavender butter if you have like restless legs and your issues are more at night than during the day.
Okay, your creams are so fantastic. I just put on a little of the Bali. It smells so good, so soft. So there's something for you as well out at Carmel Soap. And of course, Congratulations. It is your 10th year in business, and you're putting together a little anniversary celebration all month long. So stop on in to Carmel Soap for all sorts of goodies. You can find Carmel Soap at 555 West Bitters Road, Suite 106. It's over at the shops at the alley. There's a phone number for you. You can also check the website. Again, Carmel Soap Company, 555 West Bitters Road. Give them a call if you've got questions. Stop on in and visit carmelsoap.com for more details.